So I'm out here with my awesome buyer clients, and I just handed them the keys to their brand new home. These are first-time home buyers, and Amit and Preeti. So say hi to the camera.
Hi guys.
And check out the home. Let's head inside and take a look at what we just got them for their first ever home. These are first-time home buyers. Let's head in. Go ahead and open it. All right, so here we are inside the home that we just got escrow closed on today. And we're just gonna take a quick peek to show you what a lovely home they actually got. So you can see that they have upgrades throughout, recessed lighting, new flooring. It's very well lit. And overall, a really open, spacious, beautiful floor plan. Kitchen beautifully redone, new appliances, lovely choice of materials. Downstairs half bath. And now let's take a quick peek upstairs to see how lovely it is. Tall ceilings. Nice loft area here. I like how they have a full bath right here. You can see what lovely work they did. And it's conveniently located right between the primary bedroom and the other two bedrooms. Primary bedroom, nice and well lit. It's got a ceiling fan, very spacious walk-in closet with recessed lighting, lots of shelving space. Primary bathroom has the same materials. You can see all of the care that they put into the property. So that's it for upstairs. Now let's take a look at some of the issues that we faced during the transaction. So as we just saw, a beautiful home. And when we came out here for the first time, we saw all the beautiful upgrades they did. This looked like a turnkey home ready to go. So here we are now in the garage. You can see that they have the beautiful epoxy flooring. Looks pretty nice overall. Very spacious 3-car garage. But let's start to talk about some of the issues that we found during the course of inspection. So as Preeti and Amit's real estate advisor, I recommended that they got a home inspection, a pest inspection, a roof inspection, sewer inspection, and HVAC inspection. And after reviewing the findings, here's some of the things that cropped up. As you can see, we have a running furnace, but when we first came out here, this furnace was non-operational. Next, we have the water heater, as you can see. And the flume pipe at the top was actually disconnected and wrapped around, was actually going through that little attic hatch there, was not to code, and was basically exhausting CO gas throughout the entire top of this fire-rated garage section. Now here we are at the exterior, and look at all the spaciousness. It's paved, fully fenced. Really nice backyard overall. But during the course of the inspections, we realized that the HVAC was completely non-operational. This unit you're seeing here, the condenser unit, was not installed to code. It didn't work at all. And behind this vent cover was completely filthy and chock full of dirt. So this is just the short list of some of the stuff that was uncovered during the course of inspections. So as you can see at first glance, this is a beautiful home and would appear to be so for any buyer coming through. Could you agree?
Yes.
But as we saw, there were major defects that were uncovered in the course of inspections. In fact, to the tune of about $11,000. So how did we handle this? I basically went over all the findings with the buyers. We discussed the game plan for which items the seller should give credits or repairs for. And Preeti, Amit, tell me a little bit about how that went.
So yeah, at first glance, we saw the house. It was like okay, but as the inspection took place, we had our own inspectors inspecting this place. We put up a hefty amount for the inspection only to find a lot of defects, and all defects were taken care of by the negotiation which Dennis did with the contractor and actually with the homeowner and the agent itself. And basically what happened, they did wonders. Those negotiations tend to be fruitful for us, and they did more, or we call it more and beyond what we expected.
So would you say that this property had some hidden defects? And would you say that I negotiated pretty hard for you to get your way?
Yeah, I really negotiated hard.
So basically, in a nutshell, I pushed really hard to get all of the work done to code. We even got my own contractor out here to verify that the work was done to code. And overall, are you happy with the end result?
Yes.
Yeah.
We are very happy. We got the keys on time and exactly on the closing date. No extension needed. Nothing.
So you heard it. Choosing the right realtor absolutely matters. You want someone who's going to give you honest advice. You want to make sure to order inspections, even for homes that look like they're in immaculate condition and don't need anything done. And doing all these things, even in a challenging market like this, the bottom line is there's still good deals to be had. I'm Dennis Elliott, North Natomas real estate specialist. If you're considering buying a home in North Natomas or anywhere in the greater Sacramento area and want honest, grounded advice, call or text me today and I'd be glad to help.